पिलामाने लास्ट वीडियो आम नंबर 7 रो 5th बिट पर्यंत कंप्लीट कर देछन्ते। ना बे स्टार्ट करिबा 6th बिट। फाइंड dy by dx गिवन अछि y square plus x square equal to ln xy plus 1। ये बहुत इजी, खाली सिंपल तुमको सही फॉर्मूले प्रोडक्ट रूल, कोसेंट रूल, चेन रूल ठीक से जाना थी तो तुम आराम से करि परिबो। सो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शंस अछि। तो differentiate both sides with respect to x. The d by dx of y square plus x square equals to d by dx of ln xy plus 1. Derivative of y square, derivative x square. Y square derivative 2y into dy by dx. Then x square derivative 2x equals to ln xy derivative. So is the composite function, apply chain rule. 1 by xy into d by dx of xy plus 1 derivative 0. मैं ठीक है स्टेप ओमिट करछि, बट एते किछि डिफिकल्ट पार्ट आसेनी। तो दिस implies 2y into dy by dx plus 2x equals to 1 by xy. Now x into y, तो ये प्रोडक्ट अछि तो अप्लाई प्रोडक्ट रूल। x डेरिवेटिव 1 into y plus x into y डेरिवेटिव dy by dx. तो दिस implies 2y into dy by dx plus 2x equals to multiplication कले 1 by x, y by cancel हो जाएगा। सेकंड रे मल्टीप्लाई कले x cancel हो जाएगा plus 1 by y into dy by dx. तो this implies, तो हमारे रिक्वायर्ड है dy by dx, शिफ्ट कर द लेफ्ट साइड को 2y into dy by dx minus 1 by y into dy by dx equals to 1 by x minus 2x. 2x टाइम राइट साइड को शिफ्ट कर दे छे। नाउ dy by dx अछि कॉमन, तो dy by dx होल इनटू 2y minus 1 by y equals to 1 by x minus 2x. So this implies dy by dx into LCM 2y square minus 1 by y equals to 1 minus 2x square divided by x अछि। बस ये डिवाइड करिबा तो हमको आंसर मिल जेबो dy by dx। तो डिवाइड कर देबो, सिंप्लीफिकेशन करले तो y into 1 minus 2x square divided by x into 2y square minus 1 द आंसर। बहुत इजीली तुमको आंसर मिल जेबो। cos x whole to the power y equals to sin y equals to sin y। तो फाइंड dy by dx अछि, दैट वेरिएबल टू द पावर वेरिएबल फॉर्म अछि, माने पक्का तुमको लॉगरिथम यूज करियर अछि। तो यूज करली लॉगरिथम ln cos x होल टू द पावर y इक्वल टू ln sin y। तो यूज करे बोथ साइड यूज करिवो। देन लॉगरिथम प्रॉपर्टी y into ln cos x equals to ln sin y. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. The d by dx of y into ln cos x equals to d by dx of ln sin y. ln sin y. The derivative of y into ln cos x. The product form रही तो apply product rule. तो y derivative with respect to x dy by dx into ln cos x plus y into ln cos x derivative, तो ln cos x the composite function derivative कले 1 by cos x, then असीबो dy by dx of cos x equals to ln sin y। तो ये भी तो composite function, तो ln का derivative 1 by x, तो ये असीबो 1 by sin y into dy by dx of sin y। तो this implies dy by dx into ln cos x plus y divided by cos x derivative minus sin x equals to 1 by sin y derivative cos y, but with respect to x अछि तो into dy by dx, that मिस करिबो नले मिस्टेक हे जीवो। तो this implies तो हमरो dy by dx एठी अछि, हियर अछि, तो मो सेम साइड को नै अछि, तो ln cos x into dy by dx plus cos y by sin y into dy by dx। इक्वल्स टू राइट साइड को शिफ्ट करता तो ये प्लस है जीवो ने प्लस sin x by cos x into y. तो दिस implies dy by dx कॉमन अच्छी कॉमन है जीवो ln cos x प्लस cos थीटा by sin थीटा cot थीटा तो ये cot y इक्वल्स टू sin x by cos x अच्छी तो tan x into y. तो रिक्वायर्ड अच्छी dy by dx तो dy by dx इक्वल टू y into tan x divided by ln cos x plus cot y. तो तुमको आंसर इजीली मिल जाएगा खाली सिंपल डेरिवेटिव तुमको लॉगरिथम प्रॉपर्टी यूज करियर अछि डिफरेंशिएशन यूज करिवो तबे चेन रूल यूज करिके तुम आराम से सॉल्व करि परिवो. इट y square equal to a to the power root x. Find dy by dx अच्छे तो सिंपल डिफरेंशिएट करिए बोथ साइड्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. तो इक्वल्स टू d by dx ऑफ a to the power root x. Derivative of y square with respect to x 2y into dy by dx. A to the power root x derivative a to the power root x into ln a into d by dx of root x. तो इट हम यूज करछि चेन रूल. So this equals to a to the power root x into ln a और root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. हमारा रिक्वायर्ड अच्छी dy by dx तो dy by dx equal to a to the power root x into ln a divided by 2 root x अच्छी तो 2y डिवाइड कर दो this under 2y और this equals to a to the power root x into ln a divided by 4y into root x. The answer. Ninth bit x to the power m into y to the power n equals to x by y whole to the power m plus n अच्छे. Find dy by dx. तो अगर ठीक सिंप्लीफिकेशन करिवा देन डेरिवेटिव करिवा तो x to the power m into y to the power n equals to x to the power m plus n divided by y to the power m plus n. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर लिए x to the power m y to the power n into y to the power m plus n equals to x to the power m plus n. So this implies x to the power m y to the power m plus n this one 2n कर देली तो ये x to the power m into x to the power n तो x to the power m कैंसिल है जीवो तो this implies y to the power m plus 2n equals to x to the power n. तो हमको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म मिलेगा ना भी डिफरेंशिएट करिए बोथ साइड्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. तो d by dx ऑफ y to the power m plus 2n equals to d by dx of x to the power n. तो x to the power n फॉर्मूला विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x अच्छी तो x to the power n फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर लिए m plus 2n y to the power m plus 2n minus 1 into derivative of y with respect to x that is dy by dx equal to x to the power n derivative n into x to the power n minus 1. तो हमारा रिक्वायर्ड अच्छी dy by dx तो dy by dx equal to n into x to the power n minus 1 ये डिवाइड है जीवो तो m plus 2n into y to the power m 2n m plus 2n minus 1. लो आंसर बहुत इजी खाली सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म को चेंज करिवो देन तुम्हें डेरिवेटिव करिके तुमको dy by dx से मिल जाएगा. 10th bit y equal to x into cot inverse x by y. Find dy by dx अच्छे तो डिफरेंशिएट करिए बोथ साइड्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x तो d by dx of y equals to d by dx of x into cot inverse x by y. तो dy by dx equals to तो ये मतलब प्रोडक्ट मिलला तो हम ऑब्वियसली प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई करेंगे तो d by dx of x into cot inverse x by y plus x into d by dx of cot inverse x by y. तो u dash into v तो मैं अप्लाई कर ली u dash into v plus u into v dash. तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप है x डेरिवेटिव 1 cot inverse x by y plus x into cot inverse x by y. So definitely this is a composite function. Apply kariba chain rule. So cot inverse formula minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So minus 1 by 1 plus x by y square into d by dx of x by y. D by dx of x by y. So this equals to cot inverse x by y plus into minus achi to minus x by 1 plus x square by y square into x by y. तो x by y डेरिवेटिव करेगा तो अप्लाई कौन करेगा ना कोसाइन रूल अप्लाई करे. कोसाइन रूल अप्लाई करे x डेरिवेटिव 1 u dash into v. तो 1 into y minus x into y डेरिवेटिव dy by dx और divided by y square equals to cot inverse x by y minus it LCM नहीं जीवो y square plus x square by y square reciprocal कले x into y square it after LCM the y square plus x square into y minus x into dy by dx divided by y square. Now y square ये cancel लीजिए. So this equals to cot inverse x by y minus x by x square plus y square into middle of y minus x into dy by dx equals to cot inverse x by y minus multiply xy divided by x square plus y square minus minus plus this one x square by x square plus y square into dy by dx. तो minus minus plus ये minus plus minus लेफ्ट साइड dy by dx अच्छे बस इधर शिफ्ट करें लेफ्ट साइड को dy by dx minus x square by x square plus y square into dy by dx equals to cot inverse x by y minus xy by x square plus y square implies that dy by dx common achi the whole into 1 minus x square by x square plus y square equals to cot inverse x by y हम यूज कर देगा y by x the given expression यूज कर ले y by x minus xy by x square plus y square. So this implies dy by dx x square plus y square minus x square divided by x square plus y square. LCM x into x square plus y square y into x square plus y square minus x square y. Now x square plus y square ये cancel है जीवो x square भी cancel है जीवो तो dy by dx into मिडला y square equal to इधर y common अच्छी तो x square plus y square minus x square divided by x तो ये x square cancel है जीवो तो this implies dy by dx into y square equals to y into y square divided by x. तो y square भी cancel है जीवो तो implies that dy by dx equal to y by x. The answer. 11th bit y equals to sin y whole to the power sin 2x whole to the power sin 2x अच्छी तो मते वेरिएबल टू द पावर वेरिएबल मिलला तो वेरिएबल टू द पावर वेरिएबल अच्छे मैंने पक्का में लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन यूज करेगा तो ln y equal to ln sin y whole to the power sin 2x so this implies ln y equals to sin 2x into ln sin y. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. The d by dx of ln y equals to d by dx of sin 2x into ln sin y. Now मोर राइट साइड रे मते प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म रे मिलला तो मो ऑब्वियसली अप्लाई करिबी प्रोडक्ट रूल तो लेफ्ट साइड रे sin ln y डेरिवेटिव 1 by y into dy by dx तो ये मते प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म रे मिलला तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ d by dx ऑफ sin x sin 2x into ln sin y plus sin 2x into d by dx of ln sin y. So equals to sin 2x derivative with respect to x, cos 2x, then 2x derivative with respect to x, 2 into 1. Chain rule apply करें, into ln sin y plus sin 2x, ln sin y apply करें chain rule, तो 1 by sin y, then sin y derivative with respect to x अच्छी cos y into dy by dx, into dy by dx. तो लेफ्ट साइड हमर 1 by y into dy by dx अच्छी, हमर रिक्वायर्ड अच्छी dy by dx, तो एक्सप्रेशन टा लेफ्ट को शिफ्ट कर दवा, तो दिस इंप्लाइज 1 by y into dy by dx, इला cos y by sin y अच्छी, तो minus sin 2x into cos y by sin y into dy by dx equals to right side 2 into cos 2x into ln sin y. तो implies that dy by dx common अच्छी, तो into 1 by y minus sin 2x into cot y equals to 2 into cos 2x into ln sin y. So this implies dy by dx equals to LCM 1 minus y into sin 2x into cot y divided by y equals to 2 into cos 2x into ln sin y. Implies that dy by dx equals to divide कर दबा, तो this under 2y into cos 2x into ln sin y divided by 1 minus y into sin 2x into cot y. Now answer. 12th bit, y square equal to x to the power y. Find dy by dx. तो x to the power y variable to the power variable अच्छी, तो definitely apply करें logarithmic differentiation. तो ln y square equal to ln x to the power y. So first step to take logarithm, then using property 2 into ln y equals to y into ln x. Now simplest form का सीखला, then differentiate both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of 2 into ln y equals to d by dx of y into ln x. So equals to 2 ln y derivative with respect to x 1 by y into dy by dx. तो y into ln x, तो ये प्रोडक्ट फंक्शन प्रोडक्ट अच्छे, तो अप्लाई प्रोडक्ट रूल, तो y डेरिवेटिव dy by dx into ln x plus y into derivative of ln x equal to 1 by x, u dash into v plus u into v dash. तो using product rule u dash into v plus u into v dash. बट हमारा रिक्वायर्ड अच्छे dy by dx, शिफ्ट करें लेफ्ट को, तो 2 by y into dy by dx minus ln x into dy by dx equals to y by x. Now dy by dx common अच्छी, तो dy by dx into 2 by y minus ln x equals to y by x. dy by dx, next LCM 2 minus y into ln x divided by y equals to y by x. Now divide करो right side है, तो after division dy by dx equal to y square, y multiply करें this one divide कर ली, तो y square by x into 2 minus y into ln x. बहुत सिंपल, खाली सिंपल तुम्हें लॉगरिथम लॉग यूज करिवो, देन डिफरेंशिएट करिवो, बस तुमको आंसर मिल जीवो dy by dx. 13th bit, x plus y whole to the power cos x equals to e to the power x plus y. तो ये भी वेरिएबल टू द पावर वेरिएबल अच्छी, तो डेफिनेटली अप्लाई करें लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन. तो टेक लॉगरिथम ln x plus y whole to the power cos x equals to ln e to the power x plus y. So this implies cos x into ln x plus y equals to x plus y into ln e. Implies that cos x into ln x plus y equals to x plus y, ln e equals to 1. Now simplest form का then differentiate both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of cos x into ln x plus y equals to d by dx of x plus y. तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos x into ln x plus y ये प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म रे अछि तो अप्लाई प्रोडक्ट रूल तो d by dx of cos x into ln x plus y plus cos x into d by dx of ln x plus y equals to derivative of x 1 plus derivative y with respect to x dy by dx. So implies that cos x derivative with respect to x minus sin x into ln x plus y plus cos x डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ln x plus y तो ये कंपोजिट फंक्शन अच्छी तो पक्का अप्लाई करियो चेन रूल तो ln रो 1 by x तो 1 by x plus y into d by dx of x plus y equals to 1 plus dy by dx. So this implies minus sin x into ln x plus y plus cos x divided by x plus y into x plus y derivative of x, derivative of y, x derivative with respect to x 1, y derivative with respect to x dy by dx equals to 1 plus dy by dx. So implies that minus sin x into ln x plus y plus multiplication कर ले cos x divided by x plus y plus cos x divided by x plus y into dy by dx equals to 1 plus dy by dx. So this implies minus sin x into ln x plus y plus cos x divided by x plus y equals to राइट साइड को शिफ्ट करें 1 अच्छी कांस्टेंट 1 लेफ्ट को शिफ्ट कर दो -1 इक्वल्स टू dy by dx minus cos x divided by x plus y into dy by dx. तो हमको सिंप्लीफिकेशन करके dy by dx फाइंड करियर अच्छे तो एलसीएम x plus y minus sin x into x plus y into ln x plus y plus cos x minus x plus y equals to dy by dx common अच्छी 1 minus cos x by x plus y. So this implies minus sin x plus y into ln minus sin x into x plus y into ln x plus y plus cos x minus y divided by x plus y equals to x plus y minus cos x divided by x plus y. Now x plus y same expression अच्छी cancel है जीवा तो हमारा required अच्छी dy by dx dy by dx implies that dy by dx equals to minus sin x into x plus y into ln x plus y plus cos x minus y divided by x plus y minus cos x, or this equals to minus sin x into x plus y into ln x plus y plus cos x minus y divided by minus commonly this one cos x minus y. Now first term divide further, so implies that minus sin x into x plus y into ln x plus y divided by minus of cos x minus y plus cos x minus y divided by minus of cos x minus y. So equals to minus cancel ହେଇଯିବ sin x into x plus y ln x plus y divided by minus cancel ହେଇଯିବ into cos x minus y. La minus this cancel ହେଇଯିବ, this equals to minus 1. La answer. So dy by dx equal to sin x into x plus y into ln x plus y divided by cos x minus y or minus 1 la answer. 14th bit, x into tan y plus y into tan x equals to 0. Find dy by dx. To differentiate both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx of x into tan y plus y into tan x equals to derivative 0 to 0. Now derivative of first term d by dx of x into tan y plus d by dx of y into tan x equals to 0. Now derivative of x into tan y, तो ये product form रही, तो apply product rule. तो d by dx of x equal to 1 into tan y plus x into derivative tan y with respect to x. Tan formula x square x. So here is x square y into dy by dx. Now with respect to x achieve tan y derivative with respect to x la x square y into dy by dx plus y into tan x. ये भी तो product form रही, apply product rule. तो y derivative dy by dx into tan x plus y into tan x derivative with respect to x plus x square x equals to 0. तो हमरो required अच्छे dy by dx. तो second third dy by dx अच्छे common नहीं जीव dy by dx into x into x square y plus tan x. तो first term और last term right side को shift कर दो चाहिए minus tan y minus y into x square x. तो required अच्छे dy by dx. तो find dy by dx equals to minus of tan y plus y into x square x divided by x into x square y plus tan x. The answer. 15th bit, root over of x square plus y square equals to k into tan inverse y by x. Find dy by dx अच्छे. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So derivative of root over of x square plus y square equals to d by dx of k into tan inverse y by x. The root over of x square plus y square. So this is a composite function. Apply chain rule. तो apply के लिए chain rule. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. तो ये root over of x square plus y square equals to 1 by 2 into root over of x square plus y square into d by dx of x square plus y square equals to k is a constant अच्छी expression. तो k into derivative of tan inverse d by dx of tan inverse y by x. So implies that 1 by 2 into root over of x square plus y square into derivative of x square 2x plus derivative y square with respect to x अच्छी. तो 2y into dy by dx equals to k into tan inverse. ये भी तो composite function ना, तो ये भी apply करेगा chain rule. Apply के लिए tan inverse का formula 1 by 1 plus x square. तो 1 by 1 plus y by x square into d by dx of y by x. So this implies 2 अच्छी common. तो 1 by 2 into root over of x square plus y square तो 2 into x plus y into dy by dx equals to k into y square by x square LCM नेली तो ठीक स्टेप ओमिट करछि LCM नब रेसिप्रोकल कले x square by x square plus y square the derivative of y by x apply quotient rule division अछि तो apply quotient rule x square y derivative dy by dx into x minus y into x derivative with respect to x 1 now x square अछि cancel हे जीवो तो ये 2 to be cancel हे जीवो so this implies 1 by root over of x square plus y square into x plus y into dy by dx equals to k by x square plus y square into x into dy by dx minus y ये रूट अच्छी this one power 1 अच्छी तो ये भी कैंसिल है जीवो तो आफ्टर कैंसिलेशन x plus y into dy by dx equals to k by root over of x square plus y square into x into dy by dx minus y now cross multiplication कर ले तो root over of x square plus y square into x plus y into dy by dx equals to k into x into dy by dx minus y then multiplication कर ले तो x into root over of x square plus y square plus y into root over of x square plus y square into dy by dx equals to k into x into dy by dx minus k into y तो हमारा रिक्वायर्ड अच्छी dy by dx तो ये टर्म टा लेफ्ट को शिफ्ट कर ले दिस वाला राइट साइड को शिफ्ट कर ले तो implies that x into root over of x square plus y square plus ky तो राइट साइड को शिफ्ट कर ले kx into dy by dx minus y into root over of x square plus y square into dy by dx तो this equals to dy by dx कॉमन अच्छी dy by dx into kx minus y into root over of x square plus y square तो implies that dy by dx equals to x into root over of x square plus y square plus ky divided by divide कर ले this वाला kx minus y into root over of x square plus y square the answer 8 the first bit differentiate first bit अच्छी tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square with respect to sin inverse 2x by 1 minus 1 plus x square तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ वन फंक्शन विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू सेकंड फंक्शन तो ये टॉपिक ना हमारा डेरिवेटिव ऑफ वन फंक्शन विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू अनदर फंक्शन रहा तो टू फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ गिवन फंक्शन विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू x तो लेट u be the first function let u equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square बट ठीक है प्रैक्टिस है तो तुम्हारा ऑलरेडी मन थी जो tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square तो ये इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फॉर्मूला थीटा 2 tan inverse x and v equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square तो ये भी इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फॉर्मूला थीला 2 tan inverse x जब तुम्हारा फॉर्मूला बनना थी वो देन तुम्हें यूज करिबा पुट करिबा x equal to tan theta तो यूज करके सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म को तुम्हें चेंज करि परिबा तो फॉर्मूला मन थिले बेटर डायरेक्ट 2 tan inverse x यूज करिबा तो ये भी तो 2 tan inverse x यूज करिबा अदरवाइज तुम्हें x equal tan theta यूज करके 2 tan inverse x फॉर्म को आराम से चेंज करि परिबा तो एटा यूज करो और फॉर्मूला मन रखले बेटर the to find derivative first function with respect to second function means करना derivative u with respect to v तो हमने मतलब du by dv find करियर अछि तो du by dv equal to formula theta du by dx divided by dv by dx du by dx divided by dv by dx so this equals to d by dx u equals to 2 tan inverse x divided by d by dx 2 tan inverse x तो equals to the constant tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. 2 constant derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. तो ये पूरा सेम एक्सप्रेशन अच्छी आफ्टर कैंसिल जीवो तो दिस इक्वल्स टू 1 the derivative of given function with respect to second function answer. Second bit, sec inverse 1 by 2x square minus 1 with respect to root over of 1 minus x square. तो ये फंक्शन टाके सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म को चेंज करेगा तो सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म को चेंज करके देन डिफरेंशिएशन स्टार्ट करेगा तो लेट ने जो लेट u इक्वल टू सेक इनवर्स 1 by 2x square minus 1 तो लेट ने जो लेट x इक्वल टू cos थीटा यूज करके कौन पे ना ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फार्मूला 2 cos square थीटा minus 1 उठे प्रेजेंट अच्छी तो 2 cos square थीटा minus 1 ला cos 2 थीटा सो लेट ने जो लेट x इक्वल टू cos थीटा तो implies that theta equal to cos inverse x. So this equals to sec inverse 1 by 2 cos square theta. Cos theta square la cos square theta minus 1 equals to sec inverse 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1 la cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. So equals to sec inverse this one la sec 2 theta. Sec inverse sec 2 theta equal to 2 theta. So equals to 2 into theta. Theta la cos inverse x. ना हमारा u रो सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म आसीगला तो आप तुमको डिफरेंशिएशन इजी है देन फाइंड du by dx तो मते डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू सेकंड फंक्शन माने मते v फाइंड करे छी माने du by dv फाइंड करे छी तो अगर du by dx फाइंड करिवो तो d by dx 2 into cos inverse x 2 कांस्टेंट अछि तो कांस्टेंट और डेरिवेटिव cos inverse x रो फार्मूला -1 by root over 1 minus x square or this equal to minus 2 by root over of 1 minus x square. So let v equal to second function v equal to root over of 1 minus x square. Now find dv by dx. So this equals to d by dx of root over of 1 minus x square. तो यार डेरिवेटिव केमती करियो ना यूजिंग चेन रूट रूट अछि तो 1 by 2 root x 2 root over of 1 minus x square into d by dx of 1 minus x square equals to 1 by 2 into root over of 1 minus x square और डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 1 0 x square डेरिवेटिव 2x ये 2 कैंसिल है जीवो तो मतलब मिलना माइनस x डिवाइडेड बाय रूट ओवर ऑफ 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर तो हमको du by dx में निकला dv by dx में निकला therefore रिक्वायर्ड पार्टला du by dv तो फॉर्मूला du by dx डिवाइडेड बाय dv by dx du by dx equal to minus 2 by root over of 1 minus x square divided by dv by dx equal to minus x by root over of 1 minus x square. So this equals to ये कैंसिल है जीवो root over of 1 minus x square कैंसिल है जीवो माइनस कैंसिल है जीवो तो आंसर मिला 2 by x. Then third bit tan inverse 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x whole to the power half with respect to log 1 plus cos x divided by 1 minus cos x. The derivative of first function with respect to second function तो हमको फाइंड करियर अच्छे तो let u be the first function tan inverse 1 plus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x रो half तो tan inverse 1 equal to use sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 sin x equal to trigonometry formula 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 formula तो ए वन प्लेस रे वी यूज sin square x by 2 into cos square x by 2 minus 2 into sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 whole to the power half तो equals to tan inverse तो a square plus b square plus 2ab और a plus b रा होल स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला तो cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 the whole square divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 the whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab whole to the power half. So this equals to tan inverse square अच्छी half अच्छी ये simplification है जीवा cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. The next step is tan inverse. तो cos x by 2 common है जीवा 1 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. Cos x by 2 common अच्छी in denominator 1 minus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. तो equals to tan inverse ये cancel हो गया तो 1 plus tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan x by 2. तो ये टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन हमें अगर तो सॉल्व करी सारी तो ये 1 टा यूज करिवो tan pi by 4 45 डिग्री plus tan x by 2 divided by 1 टा 1 रचिवो तो ये 1 यूज करिवो 1 प्लस अगेन यूज करिवो tan 45 डिग्री into tan x by 2. तो यूज करले करना तुमरो ए पार्ट टा tan a plus b रो फॉर्म को चेंज हो गला equals to tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 equals to this implies u equals to tan inverse tan अच्छी तो using inverse trigonometry property this equals to pi by 4 plus x by 2. तो मतलब u बढ़ेगा now differentiate both sides with respect to x. तो du by dx equal to d by dx of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Pi by 4 the constant derivative 0 x by 2 रो 1 by 2 टा constant और x derivative 1 तो मतलब मिलरा half. Then second part let v equal to log 1 plus cos x divided by 1 minus cos x. तो log 1 plus cos x रो trigonometry formula 2 cos square x by 2 divided by 2 sin square x by 2. ये 2 cancel is zero, so this equals to log this one la tan square x by 2 sin theta by cos theta tan theta. So using logarithm property 2 into log this one la tan x by 2. So v मिल गया. Now find dp by dx. So dp by dx equal to d by dx of 2 into log tan x by 2. A cot square this is la cot x by 2. So this equals to 2 into log cot x by 2 composite function. So derivative के लिए 1 by cot x by 2 then d by dx of cot x by 2. So equals to 2 by cot x by 2 cot x by 2 रो cot derivative minus cosec square x by 2 into d by dx of x by 2. So this equals to minus 2 into cosec square x by 2 divided by cot x by 2 into x by 2 derivative 1 by 2 into 1 x derivative 1 here 1 into 1 by sin square x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 divided by sin x by 2 into 1 by 2 or minus 2 by sin square x by 2 into sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 into 1 by 2. The expression that cancel kali तो implies that minus 2 by 2 into sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 तो equals to minus 2 by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 होला sin theta means sin x रा तरह formula ये सब multiple formula apply कर छे this one मिलना मतलब dp by dx but हमारा required अच्छे du by dv तो du by dv equal to du by dx divided by dp by dx du by dx equal to 1 by 2, dv by dx equal to 1 by 2 अच्छी this is minus 2 by sin x equals to 1 by 2 into sin x by minus 2 or this equals to sin x by minus sin x by 4 the answer.